We had a 7-hour meeting of all general secretaries and in charges. It was chaired by the Congress President, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, and all other general secretaries and in charges. 30 in all were present. It was a marathon 7-hour session. The first official meeting of all AICC office bearers in this new building, Indira Gandhi Bhavan. And from today, all general secretaries and in charges will be operating from here. A large number of issues were discussed. A follow-up to the Belgavi Navasatyagraha Baithak resolution. We have already had the Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan rally in Mau. And very soon, as promised in Belgavi, we will be launching in every state, in every district, in every block, the Samvidhan Bachao Rashtriya Yatra, in which national leaders will take place. This is a different type of a yatra from Bharat Jodo Yatra and Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. This will be a relay yatra in which national leaders will will participate in different states. We also discussed current political issues. We discussed the manner in which the Election Commission has been systematically emasculated, weakened, its powers taken away, and the manner in which the Election Commission has refused to share complete information on the electoral rolls with political parties in a form that can be analyzed systematically. There is great fear, there is great suspicion, and we have clear evidence that in state after state, lakhs and lakhs of voters are bogus voters. Many names, genuine names, have been deleted. Lakhs of bogus names have been added. This was true in Haryana, it was certainly true in Maharashtra, it is true in Delhi. This is the grave threat to Indian democracy, and we had a long discussion on this. We also had a discussion on the strengthening of the DCCs, the District Congress Committees, about 800 of them, and what steps needed to be taken to make the DCCs the real hub of a new Congress, a revitalized Congress, a rejuvenated Congress. And on this issue, we will be announcing further measures, further steps that the party will take. So it was a long marathon meeting of 7 hours. Many issues were discussed state-wise. Political issues were discussed, economic issues were discussed. And I think this will set the stage. We will be meeting very regularly from now on in this new building. And we have already announced that 2025 is the year of organization reform. We had announced in Belgavi Sangathan Srijan Karyakram that will continue. In addition, the Samvidhan Bachao Rashtriya Yatra will be launched. Finally, in the first fortnight of April, the next AICC session will be held in Gujarat, and preparations for that have already.
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन धान पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल पाई लाभदायक अमल बढ़ाए रोग कमाए आज ही जमी रे प्रयोग करंतु जोगाजोग पाई 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमको लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in